Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, guys. I want to welcome you to this course. In this bootcamp, we will learn everything regarding Rocky Linux from zero to intermediate and then expert level. I will do my very best to teach you all the commands to do create amazing labs, pre-configure labs, and hopefully you will like everything that I create. Right now, I was in the middle of a future class that you will see later. And this is basically looking at some directories, installing packages, the few packages where we start working with the um, Rocky Linux operating system. So hopefully you will like the course. Hopefully it will be a success in your life and you will learn a lot regarding the Linux commands. I hope you have an amazing week and I hope that to see you in class. I hope to see you in class so you can learn a lot from me. I will do my very best. I am a network engineer with 8 to 10 years of experience working in different companies. And I've been an instructor for networking and Linux for the last 4 to 5 years. So hopefully you will love the course, the bootcamp, each of the lessons, and you will practice a lot with me. Take care and I'll see you around.